What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. My mother was a makeup lover, of course. As you can see by the title, we are going to be playing with the brand new Nomad palette. I am so super excited. I did do, like before I touched it, I went ahead and I filmed the nice video of an up close of the palette and some swatches. My kiddo helped me with those. So I wanted to kind of give you guys just the lowdown on this new palette. So, the destination: princess castles and storybook settings. My personal favorite. Once upon a time, in a European land far, far away, a place full of romantic castles, storybook landscapes, and adorable woodland animals, the enchanting castles of Cinderella, Snow White, and others come to life in these magical destinations. From Alcazar de Segovia in Spain, that originally inspired Disney, to Sleeping Beauty's castle, can't pronounce that, in Germany. Come with us to explore the inspiration of your favorite fairy tale and celebrate a world of happily ever afters. The cause: we are proud to support UNESCO World Heritage Center that helps prevent heritage sites around the world, like the inspiring European castles. This particular Nomad palette actually came with a little storybook. So this is like the card that it came with, the princess and her kingdom, and it literally tells a little short story. It's a little bit longer, so I'm not gonna read it to you guys, but I read it and I was like, how freaking cute. And then of course we have the unicarton, which is the same on the outer packaging of the palette. The only difference is it's more like zoomed in, and the castle is like cardboard like 3D. But yeah, she's stunning. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I did want to create kind of like a pinkish look. I feel like Princess, it's like kind of like always pink, you know? So this is the vibes. This is what I created. I'm going to be doing my eyes and my base in this video. I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinion on the palette at the very end of the video, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. I definitely do want to do another look with this as well, because there is browns as well as like the black and the gray, which is clearly what I've used today. So I do want to do another look using the browns in this palette. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. And of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video, where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, the products that I use to do it, definitely keep on watching. I always have to double check my microphone just in case, because the amount of times that I've messed up my videos because my microphone was fritzing is honestly ridiculous. I really want to focus on just the eyes in this video, but at the same time, I'm doing something a little bit more simplistic, so I feel like the video would be really short if I did that. So I'm kind of up in the air of what I wanted to do, but I haven't obviously touched this at all yet. Well, I did swatch it, which I showed you guys in the beginning, but this is what she looks like. I even had my kiddo wanted to help me with the swatches, so I let him do that. And he's so cute, because he was like, after, my son's autistic, so when I put the shimmer on his hand, like I was doing mine, he was like, wow. And then he was like, okay, get it off, because he didn't like the glitter. So I thought that was really funny. I have a idea in mind about what I want to do, so let's see if I can make the vision come true. Here's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to take the shade Chillon Castle. And, oh yeah, no, I'm not even trying to pronounce these names. What the heck? I'm going to take these two shades, the black and the gray, but I'm going to start with let's start with the black. Let me see, let me get a older brush. So I'm going to take this little brush, and I'm going to do like a smoky wing, but I'm going to kind of flare it towards my crease a little bit. So I guess more like a triangle shape. This is definitely not the blackest black that I own. So I feel like this would be more of like a beginner friendly black if you're a little bit more hesitant about your colors. I'm going to start here, then I'm going to take a fluffy brush with the gray. And go ahead and just blend this black out. I didn't swatch all of the shimmers in this palette, but I swatched a couple of them and I let my kiddo pick a couple as well. So that was literally it. That was the end of the sentence. So I just blended the whole top of that with the gray. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush with this shade right here. Just this light shade. This is like my skin tone. So I'm just going to bring it like on the bridge of my nose, like my brow bone, and then out in this corner right here. Keep everything nice and soft to blend into like the rest of my makeup. Go back in with some of this black here in this outer V. These blended like an absolute dream. You would think that, you know, because it's black, that you would have to really take your time to blend it. But honestly, this literally took me like 5 minutes right now. Amazing. Amazing. You know what I think I want to do is like a pink lip to go with this. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some Unearthly Glimmer Grasp. So I'm gonna take 2 shades. So I want to take shade Snow White and Magic Spell. So I'll go ahead and swatch those for you. This is Magic Spell and this is Snow White. This one's like white with pink. And this one's kind of like a dark, kind of like, it's giving like green vibes, maybe teal. So I'm gonna put this, let me put my glitter glue first. I'm just gonna do like a little faux cut crease. And I think I'm gonna do just like a hot pink lip to tie the pink in with this darker color. Okay, so I'm gonna put the dark shade, Magic Spell, right here. And then we'll take the pink right there. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner. This is Lancome. I'm gonna do a line across this whole thing. I'm just gonna kind of set this with the black before it dries so it's not so shiny. So good. Okay, let me do the other eye. That was so quick that we are gonna do the base. We'll do the base together. As always, Amazon lashes. I'm gonna start by taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Sorry, my kids are very excited. I'm gonna be mixing the Makeup Forever HD foundation with the Haus Labs foundation. Look how light that is, girl. Mix those together. What you doing, bad girl, that girl? I love mixing that Haus Labs foundation up with like all my other foundations. It always looks so good. I'm gonna do the Made by Mitchell Curve Case for the contour and the blush. I don't know which blush I want to go in with. Probably like, for sure, the pink. I feel like I should have kept it more cool tone because this is like super bronzy, but like I'm not mad at it, you know. I'm gonna take the shade Strawberry Cream for my blush today. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna take the H&B concealer, the Soft Focus concealer. And then I'm gonna take the Pink Honey X Cariad So I know that Pink Honey came out with like concealers, and I really hope that's this same formula, because when I run out of this, I'm gonna need to replace it with something. I'm gonna be setting with the Huda Beauty powders, the Cherry Blossom and Pound Cake. So I'll go over my whole face with Pound Cake, and then on the blush with Cherry Blossom. You know I'm just a flight away. If you wanna, you could take a private plane. Alright, both powders are on. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola bronzer today. Just make sure that that cream is nice and set in place. I'm going to take this Unearthly blush. I don't know the shade, but it's just like a pink, like a baby pink. And blend this right into that powder. I'm going to take the Kaleidos Space Age Prophecy highlighter. She's beautiful. It's kind of like champagne-y. That's what I would call this one. I should have set my face before I picked my baby up. I'm going to go ahead and finish off, excuse me, under my eyes and my lips. I'll let you guys know what I decide to do, like, when I come back, because I'm not 100% sure. But, of course, I'm just going to do the black and gray under. And I'm going to do white in my waterline, I think. Because, like, the eyes are already kind of, like, I need to, like, open them up. Excuse me, I'm so burpy right now. Yeah, that's what, yeah. I think that is what I'm going to do. Alright, so I just went ahead and finished everything off. I went in with the Nabi Lip Pencil in the shade Burgandy. And then I went in with the Cupid case in the shade Rose Garden. And then I just went in with this, like, really hot pink shade called I Love You So Much. ILYSM. And then I just went with the Unearthly lip gloss in the shade Cupid, because I thought it was really, like, sparkly. And that was kind of like the vibe, you know what I mean? I don't ever wear a hot pink lip. I don't think it looks good on me, but, like, with the look, I think it looks good, you know, like, but I would never rock out with a hot pink lip if I was, like, going on a date. I mean, I would, but, like, I don't know, I just don't think the hot pink lip suits me, but it suits the look. So, I want to give my thoughts and opinions on Nomad Cosmetics' new palette. Just look at her and tell me this isn't giving exactly fairy tales, princess vibes. When I seen the reveal, when I tell you, I gasped. I was like, oh, you know, that dramatic influencer gasp? I did that because packaging, 10 out of frickin' 10. Color story, 10 out of frickin' 10. The thing about this, there's a lot of shimmers in this palette, all the different colors in shimmers, but then you have your nice, like, you have black and gray, stunning, and then you have all of your browns. So you could literally use, like, just do, like, brown smoky eye and add absolutely any of the shimmers on the lid. Bam, you have a look. So because there's just so many shimmers, you can do, like, so many different looks with this palette. And she's so beautiful. I give this one a 15 out of 10. I think this is one of my favorite Nomad palettes. It's so stunning. You know, so you have, like, Snow White, Cinderella, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, Snow Queen, and Little Mermaid. Snow Queen, I don't know who that is. Fairy Godmother, Prince Charming, Wicked Fairy, Magic Spell. I'm just some of the names. Like, yeah. And then on the mirror, it says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? And it's a mirror, so that they're talking about me. It's me. Love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. 10 out of freaking 10. Love it. Here's the look. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.